Hello and welcome to my Total Life Happiness channel. This channel is dedicated to helping affiliate marketers get started online the right way, giving them the skills to make their first dollar online. In today's video we discuss the topic how to become rich with no money. Make sure you subscribe, smash the like button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. There are several ways a person can be successful in an online business and become wealthy. The question, however, is how to become rich with no money? It takes less money to talk more precisely. I'm just going to show you some ways to do that. First of all, you could answer surveys to make money. There are a lot of organizations that specialize in market research and are willing to pay for you. You see this example. To be clear, X company wants to launch a new product. Yet they do not have a dedicated market research unit. Y is a market research agency. X hires Y to market analysis and analyze their product. How is Y going to do? You are employed to help them analyze the product. So you're getting paid. The advantages of this approach are, it's easy and no skills or qualifications are needed. But you have to put the work in. You need to work hard, because if you quit, you're not going to make any money. The second way, you might become a blogger. You know, a good writer will make a lot of money today. Good copywriters can make $5,000 to $15,000 per sales letter they write. Good advertising writers can get $1,000 per news release. Good freelance writers will make up $5,000 per post. If you have the talent to become a novelist, you can make a lot of money. Especially if you self-publish through Kindle Publishing, owned by Amazon. Here you can create your book, upload it to their platform and then sell it worldwide. Third way, you can make money is from affiliate marketing. This is where you can sell other people's goods and earn commissions. As a consequence, you would not spend any money on development, transport and management. You can make a lot of money just by introducing new customers to the product. However, you still need to know how to do this, create a website, create a forum, create a fan group, and get traffic. The best part is there are many free resources online to learn these skills. The last way is to model from other successful people. This will allow you to reach your goals faster. You should leverage from other people's experience and not make the same mistakes they did when starting out. This will save time and get you started the right way. After several years in the industry, they have more experience. They have also set up the required tools and resources you need to increase your chances of online success. Now, there are no guarantees with anything. The only stable factor in life is how much effort you put in. If you put in the consistent effort and never give up, you will get a result. Above are some basic ways to start a profitable online business with no money. You can choose the way you think is better suited to you. Me personally, I would leverage from someone else's efforts. Find yourself someone to model and be your mentor. If you are looking for a way to make money selling other people's products like I do, click the link under this video that says, my #1 way to make money online. This will take you to a free video that explains how you can get started as early as today. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe, smash the like button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching.